Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to give you a tour of our hotel in Old Tbisili today. So let's get started. So we had to take a flight of stairs to our room because the lift was only available until the second floor. Now this is the entrance. Right at the entry on the left side you have a desk, chair, television. So you get two water bottles every day along with some tea, coffee, sachet. Here is the washroom, and honestly one of the most impractical washrooms that I have seen in any of the hotels that I have stayed so far, and it was really downside to this room. Let's move on to this side where we have a small window with a very beautiful view of the garden and the Holy Trinity Church. You can watch the fireworks every night from this window, and it's absolutely lovely. On this side we have a small bed and then a double bed in the center of the room. There is this cute circular window just behind the bed which I absolutely loved, and you have a very great view from here which I'll show you later on. On the left side you can see here small storage area, not really big cupboards, but you also get a three-seater sofa in here so you can sit comfortably if you like. Here is another window from where again you get a view of the Holy Trinity Church and the Sulphur bath area which is just behind this hotel, by the way. The room size honestly is large, but it's not really fancy or anything. But yeah, if you see this view from here, I think this was the best part of this room. Just have a look for yourself. Isn't this really pretty? Okay, now let's move on to this place that you can see here from the terrace. The Narikala fortress, you can also see the ropeway, which is just like 300 to 400 meters. That's the Holy Trinity Church up there. And this is how the entire neighborhood looks. That's our hotel Aivani, that is situated in the heart of Old Tbisili and just minutes away from all of the tourist attractions like the Metheki Church that you see there, be it the Bridge of Peace, Rike Park. Sulphur bars are just behind the hotel, and Medan Bazaar, which is also a very great place for shopping, is just around the corner. This place is very centrally located. You have a ton of options for Indian food, and there are also many tours and travels available if you would like to book a group tour directly from here or even rent a car. Coming to the price, we booked a double room for 3 nights at approx 12,500 Indian rupees. This also included complimentary breakfast for 2 people, and this is how the spread looked like. They have multiple options like boiled eggs, fruits, kachapuri, muffins, different types of Georgian bread, cheese. You also have chicken sausage, scrambled eggs, and of course tea, coffee, juice. So with that food and also such amazing views, I definitely felt like the price of the hotel was worth it. So yeah, that's all I have for this vlog. If you need any other information or have any questions, please drop in your comments. As always, thank you for watching. जल्दी मिलेंगे एक और नए vlog में. Till then, take care. Bye bye.